This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the model and app permissions so nothing blocks the workflow. First, make sure Clip Studio has file access, and you save the 3D file to iCloud or local storage. This avoids import errors. Then import the model directly into the canvas using layer 3D object or drag and drop from files. Once done, immediately place the model on a new layer and name it so you can isolate and lock it while painting around it. Now you shape the scene, position, pose, and set camera angle. Use the 3D object tool to rotate, scale, and move the model with the gizmos. This gives you accurate perspective and composition. For character models, switch to pose mode and use preset poses or tweak individual bones for natural stance. Make sure to adjust lighting and shadow parameters in Tool Property so the 3D shading matches your intended mood. This helps when you paint over the render for consistent results. Finish by rendering and integrating the model into your painting. Render to a raster layer or export maps, then lock the original 3D layer so you can safely paint shadows, textures, and details on top using multiply or overlay layers. Make sure to sample colors from the render for coherent lighting. If something goes wrong, geometry flicker, missing textures, or skewed transforms, stop, reset the 3D transform, re-import the file or check UV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.